All right, this is Brent Leary, and I am at wrapping up Oracle Media Day. Actually, it's like a day and a half, but it was a day and a half of really good stuff, a lot of learning, a lot of interesting things I hadn't seen before from Oracle, and one really interesting thing that I was really happy to see from Oracle was a demo that kind of featured Alexa and how we're using voice to do things that we weren't able to do not that long ago. So right now with me, I don't want to butcher your name. So tell me who you are and what your role is at Oracle.
Sure, thanks. My name is Sarika Ameerichetty, and I am a solution engineer here at Austin Solutions Hub. So I do like all full stack development and also build and show at the same time.
Very cool. And in that hub is something that just recently came about, right?
Yes.
Very cool. So there's a room full of demos going on. There's like four of them going on at the same time, which were all really cool. But of course, yours kind of caught my attention because I'm interested in this whole voice and Alexa thing. I got to make sure I say it not too loud before I set her off. But talk about the demo that you did around using Alexa to help somebody who's looking for information about their leave and their hours and how much they're getting paid. Just talk about how a voice and particularly Alexa is starting to help employees be able to get quick answers to tough questions.
Sure. So we've been approached by a very large telecommunications organization for creating a solution where they can actually modernize the HR system. So for now, like their system is like tedious. They have to log into a lot of platforms and update their details, and it's only dedicated to one platform instead of omni-channel. So what we've did is our solution leveraged and integrated to various platforms like Alexa, and also we have Siri and iOS and mobile chat apps as well.
Talk a little bit about the demo that you did, that you were able to kind of showcase how somebody would use Alexa to do something like find out how much time they have for being able to take leave of absence, or even finding information about why they got paid a certain amount.
Sure. So integrating the chatbot with Alexa is really feasible because I always will not have the access to the laptop or my mobile device. But Alexa, if I'm at home, I can just instantiate Alexa and start chatting with it and find out the information. For instance, I can all show you like if I have any pending approvals to do for one of my employee, I can just instantiate Alexa and start speaking with it and find out the information and also approve the any pending requests at the same time.
Yeah, and I think the key is it's so much easier to say to use your voice to make requests than it is to jump through hoops and go through a bunch of systems. And so, how do you see this? I know this is kind of something that you're working on with a customer, but how do you see this potentially impacting the way that employees in general get tough questions answered?
Definitely, I would say this is the best solution for the customers because they can save a lot of time, and the administrative teams can save a lot of time by doing this, so that they don't get much calls or anything. And they can, with the flexibility of being at home or being at office, they can instantaneously get the answers from integrated Alexa. So I think that's amazing.
And just out of curiosity, how much effort did it take for you guys to put that together?
It took us less than 2 weeks to completely build this whole demo.
Wow.
For instance, the web application, the Alexa integration, the iOS mobile app.
And what components within the Oracle Cloud were you using to help put that together?
Sure. So we are using an Oracle Intelligent Bot Cloud Service. We are also using Oracle Intelligent Service Cloud for the agent handoff. We are using Oracle Mobile Cloud Service for hosting all the REST connectors, APIs, and we are also hosting the web application on the Oracle Application Container Cloud Service. That's a polyglot, and you can upload any code base, for instance, Java, Node.js, Python, and that's a complete polyglot application.
Very cool. Now, are we able to even try asking Alexa a question right now?
Sure.
All right, let's go ahead and do it.
Alexa, ask Andy for any pending approvals.
You have one new approval waiting your response. Would you like me to read it to you?
Yes.
Vacation request from Guy Matram for this Friday. Would you like to approve?
What's his vacation balance?
Guy has 8 days remaining of his 15 days. Would you like to approve the new request?
Yes.
Guy's vacation request for this Friday is now approved. You have no more approvals.
Alexa, stop.
So that's cool. Now you were doing it like that, but you could have been a manager in your car, because now you're seeing Alexa being integrated in your car. So they could be doing whatever. Their hands are tied up, but that'll still allow them to go through and approve, and do things like you just did.
Yes, it does.
That's cool. So I'm just wondering, now that you've kind of gone through this, are you starting to see, or do you anticipate more interest as these kinds of things start coming to light, that other companies are going to be like, oh, voice is actually kind of a pretty good way to go with this stuff?
Yes, we are actually getting a lot of requests for the voice integrations, like compared to early. Like now we're actually receiving more, and we've been doing more integrations with Alexa, and a lot of companies are actually really interested with this new platform, the voice platform, and they're actually very curious, and they want to just integrate it with their systems.
So where can people go to learn more about what you guys are doing with this?
They can definitely approach Oracle Solutions Hub, Austin Solutions Hub, to find out more information.
Great, thank you so much.